Welcome to second part of the video. We're going to start putting the value. We already worked on creating value chart. So if I decide the light source is left top and the right side or the bottom, the opposite side of the light source will get dark. I see how right now my pencil exactly show same the light source, right? See the shadow draws this way. So just follow that. This will be either 5 or 4 or the bottom. Let's say if you want to make a bottom 5, then you probably want to make this one 4. Okay, so if you made this one 4, all this right side should be 4. Okay, so let's start shading a little bit. So again, try not to show the pencil mark. So again, try not to use blending. So try to do it without. So that's always a good exercise. So you can grow your pencil technique better. So I'm not going to fast forward, I'm just going to do a little bit and then I'm going to show you the final result, putting up the final photo, and so you get the idea. So when you get to the edge, remember we used the ruler to stop it, so when you do that the edge will be clear. In this manner you don't really interrupt to the other area. So that's always a smarter way to draw things. Alright, just like that. So you can apply it to other places that you need to draw. Okay, so this is 4 I'm doing, and so this will be 4, this will be 4, and I'm gonna put the 5 here. So I'm gonna making it really dark. So again, you can tilt a little bit the paper if you want to get into the better angle to put the value in. So that's always a good way. And then stopping the line using the ruler. The same thing. When you get to here, you come to this angle and then block it. So that way you don't have to worry about making a mistake. The parts that goes outside of that box. Okay, so I'm gonna do the outline a little bit more darker. The edge. Okay, and then make the edge a little bit more darker to separate from here to here. Okay, and now you can see better. All right, so I'm going to be finishing this part and this part and this part. Okay,